Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today's video will be very suitable for beginners. We'll be learning Hebrew through short sentences with easy vocabulary. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. To say, I'm eating an apple, as a male, say, אני אוכל תפוח. אני, I, אוכל, am eating, תפוח, an apple. To say, she's drinking coffee, say, היא שותה קפה. He, she, שותה is drinking קפה, coffee. To say, he wants to eat, say, הוא רוצה לאכול. הוא, he, רוצה, wants, לאכול, to eat. To say, I see a building in front of me, as a male, say, אני רואה בניין מולי. אני, I, רואה, see, בניין, a building, מולי, in front of me. To say, she is speaking to me, say, היא מדברת אליי. He, she, מדברת is speaking אליי, to me. To say, he hears whistles, say, הוא שומע שריקות. הוא, he, שומע, hears, שריקות, whistles. To say, I ran fast, as a male, say, אני רץ מהר. אני, I, רץ, run, מהר, fast. To say, she sits in a chair, say, היא יושבת בכיסא. He, she, יושבת, sits, בכיסא, in a chair. To say, he sits on the sofa, say, הוא יושב על הספה. הוא, he, יושב, sits, על, on, הספה, the sofa. To say, I really hope so, as a female, say, אני מקווה מאוד. אני, I, מקווה, hope, מאוד, very much. To say, she is laughing, say, היא צוחקת. He, she, צוחקת, is laughing. To say, he is crying, say, הוא בוכה. הוא, he, בוכה, is crying. To say, I'm leaving work. If you're a female, say, אני יוצאת מהעבודה. אני, I, יוצאת, am going out, מהעבודה, from work. To say, she arrives home, say, היא מגיעה לבית. He, she, מגיעה, arrives, לבית, to home. To say, he understands me, say, הוא מבין אותי. הוא, he, מבין, understands, אותי, me. To say, I'm helping her, as a male, say, אני עוזר לה. אני, I, עוזר, am helping, לה, to her. To say, she is learning Hebrew, say, היא לומדת עברית. He, she, לומדת is learning עברית, Hebrew. To say, he is asking for help, say, הוא מבקש עזרה. הוא, he, מבקש is asking עזרה, help. To say, I'm giving him an advice. As a female, say אני נותנת לו עצה. I נותנת, am giving לו, to him, עצה, an advice. To say, she is taking medication. Say, היא לוקחת תרופה. she, לוקחת, is taking תרופה, a medication. To say, he is waiting outside. Say, הוא מחכה בחוץ. he, מחכה, is waiting בחוץ, outside. To say, she is asking a question. Say, היא שואלת שאלה. she, שואלת, is asking שאלה, a question. To say, I wake up in the morning. As a male, say, אני מתעורר בבוקר. I, מתעורר, am waking up בבוקר, in the morning. To say, she is getting dressed. Say, היא מתלבשת. she, מתלבשת, is getting dressed. To say, he is calling her. Say, הוא מתקשר אליה. he, מתקשר, is calling אליה, to her. To say, I'm bringing snacks. As a male, say, אני מביא חטיפים. I, מביא, am bringing חטיפים, snacks. To say, she is taking pictures. Say, היא מצלמת תמונות. she, מצלמת, is taking pictures, תמונות, pictures. It sounds like an unnecessary duplication, but the verb לצלם actually means to take pictures, but we still have to add the word pictures. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments below if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות!